Hi, this is Gary Kayye. We're here at InfoComm 2017. I'm here with Alan Shirley, who's a product line manager. Tell me about your product here. What is this? This is a new product for you.
Well, at InfoComm 2017, we're featuring our new EdgeMAx InCeiling premium loudspeaker with proprietary Bose phase guide technology. And the innovation of the phase guide technology really comes from our research group, and it really satisfies a need in the marketplace. Many of our integrators, have told us we really prefer the aesthetics of InCeiling mount speakers, but we prefer the superior audio quality and coverage patterns typical of surface mount loudspeakers. So we took this phase guide technology and tried to create kind of a new category of premium background foreground loudspeakers. And that was the kind of genesis of the new EdgeMAX series.
Okay, so I want to have you come in here and look at this. So this EdgeMAX series, basically what Bose is saying, and obviously you have a long history of innovation in audio specifically, is that these in-wall and in-ceiling speakers, I guess mostly for in-ceiling speaker, obvious application because of this pattern, these in-ceiling speakers are going to sound as good as surface mount speakers. Now that, you've hit the holy grail there, right? Because that's what everybody's wanted, is an in-ceiling speaker that sounds as good as a surface mount speaker. That's a big claim.
And the really innovation part, again, is this phase guide technology, and that produces a vertically asymmetrical pattern. So I don't know if you can pan up, but the idea is they're designed for in-ceiling mounting up against a wall boundary. And the asymmetrical pattern from the phase guide really throws one axis straight down, so think of it as minus 90 degrees from the ceiling, and then the other axis is only 15 degrees down from the ceiling. So total included angle 75 degrees. So with a typical ceiling height, you get tremendous high frequency throw, into the room, 30, 40, 50 feet into the room just from mounting ceiling speakers around the perimeter of the room.
And that's because you're able to use the walls, the physical walls themselves that they're mounted against.
The walls certainly help reinforce the low frequency energy especially, but the high frequency throw is really from this proprietary phase guide technology.
And what kind of power can you get out of these?
So we rate it conservatively at 150 watts long-term continuous. And
these are 70 volt or 4 and 8 ohm?
So it's basically a high frequency compression driver with a phase guide, an 8-inch woofer, two-way passive crossover, 100 volt transformer built in, with really, again, superb audio quality, really great bandwidth, 60 hertz up to 18K. And it's an in-ceiling speaker produces a tremendous, like 118 dB continuous sound pressure level. So
wow.
We really think it's a new category.
I was getting ready to say that in that case, based on those specs, this is a new category. You've sort of, in a way, reinvented the in-ceiling speaker.
So our concept was we really wanted in our line the room match utility, or RMU level sound quality, which is designed for surface mount applications. We wanted that superb sound quality for an in-ceiling mount speakers. So, because I'm sure your viewers will know that battling with the architects and interior designers, you always get pushback from either wall-mounted surface mount speakers or a grid, full of 50 different in-ceiling speakers. So we think that really is a unique solution to those problems.
Yeah, I think the integrator community is going to love this.
We hope so. So we've had really good positive feedback at day one of the show here. So.
Yeah, I suspect this is going to be very, very popular. I think just getting the word out is the most important thing. Get them to find out about it, because once they find out about it, it's going to be big.
So we talked about the vertical dispersion, but I will mention, so there's two models. So there's an EM180, which has a nominal 180 degree dispersion pattern designed to mount along the long wall, providing 180 degree coverage. And then there's an EM90 model with the nominal 90 degree coverage pattern. It's designed to mount in the corner of the rooms. And if you see at our demonstration area here, you can see kind of visually how they're mounted. So.
Yeah. Excellent. Well, look, thank you very much for explaining all that, Alan. Congratulations.
Thank you, Gary. Great to see you again.
And of course, we're shooting individual videos on every product station here, and we also did something really cool. We did a booth tour alive and literally, even with all the people in our way, booth tour of the entire booth here. So you kind of get an idea what it's like to walk around the booth here. It's beautiful. It's well placed on the show floor. And these products, you've got 3 new categories of products here. It's going to be very popular. Bose is going to do very well this year at InfoComm. You can check it all out at Bose.com, or you can see all the videos we shot today by typing Bose in the video search window. Thank you very much for watching.